Boom! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vance, and today we're going to be unboxing a new pair of shoes that I recently added to my collection. So, let's go! So today we have the Travis Scott Air Force 1's. I know that these aren't a brand new shoe, but hey, they caught my eye, and when they first came out, which was a little bit ago, and I've been waiting to get them, and I finally got them for a good price. I'll just go ahead and tell you, about 200 bones. Not bad for these type of shoes. Well, this pair of shoes. So, as you can see, the box is a little beat up. I bought them from StockX. StockX, come on, get your shit together. I meant get your stuff together. Yeah. Okay, so let's just break into the box here. Alright, so first thing you see is the changeable like Nike swoosh on the side of the shoe, for the side of the shoe. To be honest, not a fan of these two. I don't like it's like a quilt pattern, and I think that this one is just like a fire pattern. I don't know. But anyways, you open up the box here. The paper inside says Air Force 1. Pretty typical. And then boom, we're getting to the shoes. Nice, baby. These are pretty good. As you can see, I kind of already pulled them out of the box and was messing around with the logos. I like them a little different. Got this specific pair from StockX, like I said before. Yeah, this is just the shoe. And these are the two pairs of shoes side by side. They're pretty dope shoes, honestly. On here, right here, it says Cactus Jack. And then these, I think they even come off. Yeah, these even come off, which is pretty dope. It's a very customizable shoe, which is kind of nice, because a lot of shoes you get are not customizable like this. Like you can customize them to fit your style, is what I was getting at. So today we're gonna do a couple outfits here and a how to wear, which is gonna be pretty dope, because I feel like if you don't know, you may have a hard time matching stuff with this shoe. But I mean, it is cream, so it's also probably pretty easy to match stuff with. I just contradicted myself there. I don't know. All right, so let's hop into the first outfit. All right, so this specific outfit I actually personally love, because it's got these like nice designer sweatpants, and then it's just a real easy laid back feel. But these sweatpants are from Richie Lee. If you know him, he's a YouTuber, creates his own fashion, pretty good stuff, quality. And then we got the Nike bomber jacket. You can get this in pretty much anywhere. I think I got this one Macy's. And then we have the H&M hoodie underneath for layering, because layering is the way to go. And then we got the drip to match the outside logos on the Air Force 1's. Alright, so that's the first outfit. Let's go to the second. Alright, for the second outfit and final outfit for this video, I went with a light gray thermal underneath. This specific one is from Eddie Bauer. They've been running a lot of thermal sales, and I get made fun of a lot, but I have to wear Eddie Bauer because I'm so damn tall. Alright, and then up top, I went with this acid washed jean jacket lined with some Serpa. And This one is from Urban Outfitters. I think I got this last year or the year before. They were running a sale on this, as you can see, probably because it's acid washed, and most people who buy Sherpa jackets don't want an acid washed color. It's like I'm living in Los Angeles or something. This is like a LA style. No offense. And then down low, we got the American Eagle black denim jeans. Rocking denim on denim, that's how we roll. And then, yeah, that's about it for this outfit. Nothing too special, just pretty basic stuff. So, yeah, just let me know if you guys want me to continue doing these videos, because I sincerely enjoy making videos for fashion. Yeah, and shoes, mainly shoes and how to wear them. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video.